Swami Vivekananda, Vedanta, Voice of Freedom. Edited and with an introduction by Swami Chetanananda. Published by Swami Tattvavedananda, Adhyaksha, Advaita Ashram, Mayavati, Champavat, Uttarakhand, the Himalayas. From its publication department at Kolkata. First Indian edition, January 1987. 13th reprint, February 2017. Excerpt from this book. While Vivekananda was traveling in India, he heard about the Parliament of Religions, which was to be held in Chicago in September 1893. Many Indian rulers and influential people asked him to attend and represent Hinduism, the religion of Vedanta, but he refused. While at Madras, he had a symbolic dream in which he saw Sri Ramakrishna walking over the ocean and beckoning him to follow. He also heard the Master's voice saying, "Go." At last, Vivekananda agreed. While arrangements were being made for his departure, Raja Ajit Singh of Khetri, who was a disciple of Vivekananda, requested him to come and bless his newborn son, and also offered to provide the ticket for his passage to America. Vivekananda consented and went to Khetri for the birthday function. One evening, while he was there, the Maharaja invited Vivekananda to attend a musical performance by a dancing girl. But the Swami sent word in return that he was a monk. He was not permitted to enjoy secular pleasures. The girl was hurt when she heard the message and sang this plaintive song, which reached the Swami's ears. Look not, O Lord, upon my sins. Is not same-sightedness thy name? One piece of iron is in the image in the temple, and another, the knife in the hand of the butcher. Yet both of these are turned to gold when touched by the philosopher's stone. So, Lord, look not upon my evil qualities.
प्रभु जी मेरे अवगुण चित न धरो, समदर्शी है नाम तुम्हारा, चाहो तो पार करो। एक लोहा पूजा में रखत, एक घर बधिक परो, 100 दुविधा परस नहीं दिखत, कंचन करत खरो। प्रभु जी मेरे अवगुण चित ना धरो। एक नदिया एक नाल कहावत, मैलो नीर भरो। जब मिलके दो एक बरन भाए, सुर सरी नाम परो। प्रभु जी मेरे अवगुण चित ना धरो। एक माया एक ब्रह्म कहावत, सुर श्याम जघाड़ो। अब की बार मुझे प्यार उतारो, नहीं पंजत तरो। प्रभु जी मेरे अवगुण चित ना धरो। प्रभु जी मेरे अवगुण चित ना धरो। समदर्शी है नाम तुम्हारा, चाहो तो पार करो।
Vivekananda was deeply moved. This dancing girl, whom society condemned as impure, had taught him a great lesson. Brahman, the ever pure, ever free, ever illumined, is the essence of all beings. He immediately understood his mistake and came out of his room and joined the party. He later said, "That incident removed the scales from my eyes. Seeing that all are indeed the manifestation of the One, I could no longer condemn anybody.